Here's a great deal on a 2008 Ford Mustang. This two-door, four-passenger coupe still has less than 35,000 miles. Ford made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. Under the hood, you'll find an 8-cylinder engine with more than 300 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Ford prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, front fog lights, and cruise control. Ford also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front side impact airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.